Today, Apple kicked off its first virtual Worldwide Developers Conference to show off what it's been up to. There's a lot to cover, so let's get into it. First up, iOS 14. Bothered by your pages upon pages of apps? App Library will automatically organize your apps for you. The feature splits apps into thematic collections, as well as dynamically updated folders, highlighting the apps you use the most. Widgets can now live on the home screen, rather than being tucked away on the Today screen. Picture-in-picture video playback has been available for the iPad since iOS 9, but has been curiously absent from the iPhone. No longer. If you switch apps while playing a video, or having a video chat, it'll continue playing in a small box that you can drag around the screen. Messenger got a new feature today. You can now pin your most important conversations to the top of your messages list. Noisy group message threads are getting organized too. You can now set up notifications to only alert you when you're mentioned by name. The company also added the ability to reply in line to a message within a thread. One of the most exciting announcements of the day was the introduction of app clips. App clips are basically on-demand micro apps that can be triggered by NFC or QR codes. The mini apps pop up on demand when and where you need them, and automatically go away when you don't. AirPods also received an update today. AirPods can now automatically switch between multiple devices. Play a video on your iPad and you'll hear the audio from your AirPods. If a call comes in on your iPhone, your AirPods can automatically switch over. AirPods also introduced spatial audio, simulated surround sound compatible with AirPods Pro only. They take things like the position of your head into account, using AirPods' built-in accelerometers to make it seem like the audio is fixed to the real world around you. Now onto the macOS, now named Big Sur. In Big Sur, the Notification Center has been cleaned up, bringing notifications and widgets into one unified view while making it easier to clear out lots of notifications at once. You'll also notice some changes to the look of the icons. Safari can now monitor your saved passwords to look for those that might have been exposed in breaches. Meanwhile, the browser's antiquated extension system is getting a refresh, with a focus on limiting what data extension developers can access. Finally, let's talk about Silicon. As rumored, Apple is switching from Intel to custom ARM-based CPUs it designed in-house, as it's done for years across its iPhone, iPad, and watch lineups. The company says that this will bring a whole new level of performance while consuming less power, and allow for things like Apple's Secure Enclave to come to the Mac. While developers will need to update their applications to run natively on the new chipsets, Apple says most developers should be able to get things running in just a matter of days. Meanwhile, Rosetta 2 and Big Sur will automatically and transparently translate existing apps for compatibility. Well, that's it for today's keynote highlights. Go to TechCrunch.com for in-depth WWDC coverage.